Here I'm outside of a house in Arvada at Miller Street. And we're finishing up the renovation on. This will be the last video I do on it. We're just painting some trim around the garage. We got it staged, ready to hit the market. New railing. This wall got ripped out. Same thing with this wall on the side of the stairs there. There used to be a way to kind of walk through behind the back of the kitchen, but we closed that in. Completely redid the kitchen layout. All new light fixtures, and here we've got a pantry. Leo's finished painting in the shelves for. It'll be done here soon. New carpet. Completely redid all the bathrooms. This house turned out great. And down in the basement, we changed the layout of the mechanical room some so we could get another bathroom. And I'm dealing with a challenge my HVAC guy left me with. I'm gonna definitely be using a different HVAC guy moving forward, but this is what done looks like for him. And this is just very much not done. This is far from done. And he's not gonna fix it, he says, so this will be his last job. If you can hear the frustration, it's there's always little challenges, but that shouldn't be one of them, right? Like, it's not a difficult thing, right? Just a guy that puts in furnaces can't finish a furnace. He lost the cover and tells me that he's gonna special order one and it'll be here in 6 weeks. Yeah, right, house will be sold in 6 weeks. We have new windows. We took this wall out too. Across here, it used to come out to here. It wasn't a structural wall, so got rid of that. And this is a new egress window too that we installed on that bedroom. So that's how this one turned out. Thanks for checking it out with me in this video today. If you go back and look at our old videos, you can see what this looked like before we started. I have high expectations for this one. I think it's gonna bring in a really high sales price. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next house.